it's me, Edward the Blue Engine. Before we get to this Cars video, I want to tell you that in the future, we're going to have JJ and Theater Tugboat and all their friends come to the island of Sodor to join in our series.
So to start off, we want to show you, of course we have two Lightning McQueens right here. This one's really cool. So check this out, guys.
Man, it's cold.
And it has different sayings, right? Ooh, I love how that lights. That's so cool. So Lightning McQueen, right? Ooh. That sounds really cool. I like that. Revving up. He's cold. He could fix it from being unstuck. At least it's still working. Kind of heavy-handed, people. Did you ever hear that one before? I've never pressed it enough. I'm trying to see how many times.
Chill out.
Oh, snap. He said time to chill out. Alright, I think that's it for all the sayings. I gotta get this. And press it a little too hard. But that's really cool. And we actually found this one at a thrift store. Really good deal. Guys, check them out. Because sometimes you'll find stuff that you can't find in the stores anymore that are really hard to find. You know what I mean? Can you see how many good deals I've gotten you? Alright, so we're going to take this one out to watch the race. And so we have these two. Go ahead and explain this one, Sean.
Danica Lightning McQueen can actually shift his eyes, kind of like the real McQueen in the TV show.
Pretty cool, right?
But this one doesn't talk, I don't think. Or does it talk?
Well, I think we just need... It does. It has buttons to do stuff. We just need to put some batteries in it. It actually does, though.
Or does it talk?
I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it needs batteries. That's all good. But it does. It does. And I actually found this one at their store a while back, too. So, how cool is that? Alright, so we got him. And then, you guys know this guy?
Jackson Storm, his new opponent.
Now, this one I didn't. I had to buy brand new. But I actually got a really good deal on it. I think I got it at Ollie's when I was with Grandma shopping. Yeah, so it was a really good deal. It was right around the holidays, and they had it on sale. And it just came out, too. It was when Cars 3 just came out. I got the movie. So it's pretty cool. Lightning McQueen. Alright, so let's make space for these two right here. They're actually going to race, just like they did, but our race. You know what I mean? So before we even do the race, leave it in the comments. Who do you think is going to win? Are you team Lightning McQueen or team
Jackson Storm?
And it's okay to like both. That's cool too. But let's see. Who's your vote on for this race?
Lightning McQueen.
Alright. So I want to say the same, but just to make it interesting and fair, I'll go with Jackson Storm. Now listen to this one, guys. This one actually came with a remote control, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I think we need to get batteries for this one too. Because sometimes we forget, I'm sure everybody does it, to leave the on button on. It happens. So, it's not really charged. So, it's fair though, because neither one of them actually have any charging. We have to just manually do it. So, it's a fair race. Alright, so on your mark, get set, go. Oh! I gotta show y'all up close what happened. So, as you can see, they actually got in a little car accident. Not funny, but I mean, at the same time, this is not the real cars, it's just a toy, so it's okay. But, yeah, Lightning McQueen definitely is in front. However, Jackson Storm's behind him, so who's to say if they weren't side to side versus right in the same path, who would have been? So let's do one more race just to be fair. This time we're going to go ahead and give them a little space in between each other, so hopefully they don't go in the same path, and see what happens. Alright, on your mark, get set, go. Alright, so there's Lightning McQueen. Jackson Storm. So see, Jackson Storm actually won that one. So, because 1-1-1... Guys, did you hear that? 1-1-1. It sounds weird. It sounds like I'm throwing at you. Okay, so one of them won one race, and the other won the other race. Okay, this is starting to get a little like, what's going on? But anyways, so I think it's fair to say, we'll say tied. We'll give them 50-50. So, both are winners, you know. Would you agree with that?
Yeah.
So, that's a pretty good race. But let us know, who do you prefer? Do you prefer Lightning McQueen? Do you prefer Jackson Storm? And again, as we asked before, do you like Cars 1, 2, or 3 better? What do you think?
I think, even though I'm probably the oldest out of the two, I feel like I still got a lot of lightning speed in me.
And his mentor was...
The fabulous Hudson Hornet, aka Doc Hudson.
Who's actually based off of a real...
Hudson Hornet car.
Exactly. So, let me know what you guys think. If you have any Cars characters and you want to do race videos, we love to see them. So give us a shout out. If you want us to give you one, leave it in the comments. Leave any comment you like. Share, like, thumbs up. And don't forget to...
subscribe to Sean's Super Show.
Ka-chow!
Ka-chow!
See you later.